If you're managing a WordPress site and you need access to dotfiles such as htaccess file or user.ini file, you may have noticed that they're not visible in the cPanel file manager. So in this video, I'll quickly show you how to view them. At first, let me log into my cPanel and then look for File Manager. Let's go ahead and open it. And now go to the root directory where your WordPress is installed, in my case within the public_HTML. Right in here you should see folders such as WP admin, content includes, and list of files. But this whole list is still missing htaccess file and user.ini file. So in order to view them, click on Settings at top right corner, and then select Show Hidden Files, and then save the changes. And just right now, you should have access to the htaccess file and user.ini file. And just a reminder, before you make any changes in these files, make sure to have a backup copy. For that, you can just simply right-click on the file and just download it to local computer. So as usual, hope you found this video helpful. For more WordPress tutorials, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.